Yeah, girl, it's my new place, you know what I mean? I just got to remodel and everything, you know what I mean?
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh, you got the brand new Alexa? Alexa, play me some Beyonce.
That's not Alexa. See, that's from Jamaica. It's actually called Ashdon. Watch. Yo, Ashdon,
Well, go on, my general.
play me something sexy.
You want something dirty or freaky?
Some sexy, man.
Alright, man, the perfect song. Pre that one.
Fat, put on it, I want fat, put on it, fat, put on it, I want fat, put on it.
What? What wrong with that? What wrong with that song there?
Inappropriate.
Yeah, but me see the girl walking, you know, and I put on the fat for real. So what you want me to do?
Let me try. Ashdon,
Well, go on, babes.
play Ron Longwood, My Man Booty Strong.
Oh, I want to the girl, yeah, man. Play what?
Yo, him to play them something later. I'm gonna play them something. Who the hell them run along with?
That's my friend's song.
My girl, you need some new friends, and that man tell you to, you know.
Sorry, no, brother. Big up yourself, is it me?
Yeah, man, everything good in the dog. Anyway, you want to hear some cartel?
Oh.